Hello students. Today we will learn about the good research and characteristics of a good research. First we define good research. Good research is a systematic, objective and ethical process of collecting, analyzing and interpreting data to answer a specific question or solve a problem with findings that are valid and reliable and applicable to real world setting. Now, characteristics of a good research. There are many characteristics of a good research. The first one is clear purpose. Has a well defined objective or a research question. The second one is systematic, follows an organized and structured process step by step. Logical, based on the sound reasoning and make sense in its approach and conditions. Empirical, relies on real world observations, data, or experiment, not just theory. Replicable, can be repeated by other and produce similar results. Valid and reliable, measure what it intends to measure, validity and yields consistent results. Reliability, ethical concern, respects participants rights, maintains confidentiality and follows proper guideline, especially important in medical and social research. Objective and unbiased, free from the personal opinions. Original, contributes new knowledge or insights, not just a copy of existing studies. Accurate and detailed, through in collecting, analyzing, and reporting data with attention to detail. Please subscribe and like our channel and press bell icon for more videos.